What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add social media icons for like your Facebook page, your Instagram, or your social media in general to your Shopify store so that visitors of your store can view your social media. So let's get right to it. First of all, you'll need, of course, to have a Shopify account. So make sure you created one. Here I'm on the trial version. So this is a new account that I created just to show you for this video tutorial. And as you can see here, I'm signed in. My store name is written at the top here. So you want to click here on the online store on the left, and then click on themes. It's the first option that is selected by default. And here I'm using the default theme that is used by default whenever you create an account. However, you can browse through many popular themes and change your theme accordingly. However, I'll just stick to the default one, Dawn theme. And what you want to do is go to customize, click on customize here. And then here, make sure you go to the footer here. You have the footer section. Here you cannot see any social media icons. So to show them, you want to go to the settings here on the left, the theme settings, and then scroll down till you see social media. Click on social media, and here you can add your social media links for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo. These are the social media platforms that are supported to show icons on the footer. Here you can see the links here. There are links that are pasted, which are links that lead to the Shopify pages on these social media. These are like links that are put here by default. However, they are placeholders. You can delete this link and paste your own. However, just for the sake of this video to show you, I'll leave these links as they are here. Now, as you can see here, the links are available, or even if you paste them or write them. So let's write in, for example, facebook.com/Shopify. And as you can see, you have a Facebook icon that is shown here. And in the theme or in your online store, once someone clicks on them, they will be redirected to this specific account. And let's do the same for Instagram. So instagram.com/Shopify. So once you start entering, okay, failed to load. Okay, now it is loaded, and you can do so for each of the platforms right here. Now, if you enter the links and still you do not see the icons right here, make sure to go to the footer settings. Let's go to the sections here, and in the footer, scroll down a bit, and make sure the show social media icons is enabled and checked. So if you uncheck it, the icons will disappear. If you check it again, the icons will reappear again. So here you have these two icons for Facebook and Instagram because these are the two links that we added. Now let's go back to the theme settings and then go back to the social media, and you can fill out the social media accounts that you want to, and they will show here. So if I click on the Instagram, for example, okay, a page is not found. Okay, no problems. So let's go back to the settings, theme settings, and the social media. Okay, let's try saving these settings first, and here you can show how they look on like mobile phone. The icons will show here at the bottom, and in full screen view how the icons will look like. So let's go back to the desktop view, and here you have the social media icons. So let's fill out a couple more so that you can have a couple more icons. So here let's YouTube, for example. So youtube.com, and as you can see, the YouTube icons appears immediately /Shopify. And let's do TikTok. So TikTok at Shopify. Now tiktok.com/@Shopify. Okay, looking good. Of course, as you can see, this is like a sample link that I wrote in. Of course, you'll need to paste in your the links to your real social media platforms. Now, let's save here the settings to view the theme, and we can exit the customizing, and then click on the go to online store, and then click on the eye here to get a preview of your store. And if you scroll down, you'll see here the social media icons. If you click on Facebook, for example, of course, the page is not found because this is not like a real link. So let's go to the home page, catalog page. In the contact page, you'll see in each page here, if you scroll down to the footer, the social media icons are still there and they still show regardless of the page. Now, if you want to change the style in color, let's say you do not like this black color, default color. Me personally, I like this style, this color. However, if you want to change it, let's close this tab right here, go to the themes, click on themes, and click on customize once again. And now here, go to the footer, and then go to theme settings. And before you go to theme settings, just make sure or note what scheme color you are on. So I'm on scheme 1. If you want to change it to whatever scheme that you like. So however, note the number of the theme because you will enter the settings. So I'll leave it as it is on scheme 1, and I'll go to theme settings, then go to colors, and then edit. You can here edit the colors for each scheme, or you can even add your own. So we are scheme 1, so I'll click on it. We can edit here the background color, so as you see here, and this will apply on all the page, and the text color, solid button color, and everything. So here, if we want to change the color for the icons, we will change the text color. However, if you change it, the text on all of the page will change. So the title of the product, here, the price, subscribe, every text will change. So there is not like a single option where you can edit only the colors for the icons. However, this depends on the theme that we used. The Dawn theme doesn't have that option. However, if you use another theme, you might have this option to edit the colors for the buttons themselves. So here, if you want to change the colors, here you can go and change the text color. So let's leave them as red here just to show you. Now we changed now the color for the buttons, and as you can see here, if we go ahead and choose another scheme here, we can if we go to the sections and we select another one, so let's say this one, it'll apply it. And if you go to settings, to the color settings, we can select here the scheme that we chose and edit the colors like for the text here and so on. So that was how easy it is to add social media shortcuts or buttons on the footer of your page on your Shopify store.